Welcome to another video brought to you by Helmet Headspace, where the dirt flies, the pavement whispers, and the zen-like focus of riding meets, with possibly a few detours here and there along the way. In this video, we're diving into a little more of Section 4 of the Mid-Atlantic Backcountry Discovery Route, aka MABDR, or as I'd like to call it, the perfect excuse to pretend we're rugged adventurers while staying just close enough to civilization. Section 4 could be called the Goldilocks of riding. It's got just the right mix of dirt roads, scenic stretches, and a touch of pavement to remind you that you're not completely lost. The weather, it was absolutely perfect. Cloudy skies and not too hot temps, especially after leaving 100 and it's fucking hot temperatures behind you in Virginia. Basically, the kind of day where you feel like Mother Nature finally got her shit together. And let's be honest, when you're riding with great friends, even the biggest bumps in the road feel like part of the adventure. This ride had a solid squad. The four of us, all on our Harley-Davidson Pan Americas, had our sights on continuing this great journey. Four adventure bikes leisurely cruising down the dirt roads, the world's most laid-back bikers, yet ready to tackle anything that came our way. Pan Ams handled the terrain so smoothly, you'd think that Harley sprinkled a little magic in the suspension. Or maybe it's that sweet 150 horsepower ready to neigh when we hit the pavement. Either way, we were unstoppable. Well, at least in our own minds anyway. Rolling hills, fields of green, and the occasional bovine audience giving us that "what are these humans doing now" look. You know that look. At least that's what you think they're thinking. The dirt roads were smooth and inviting, winding through the woods like they were custom designed for maximum zen. Honestly, it's the kind of ride that makes you forget about emails, deadlines, and the existential dread of a gas station bathroom. Pure bliss. We weren't in any rush, hardly ever are. This was all about soaking in the vibes, letting the road guide us, and maybe stopping now and then to point to that something randomly and say, wow, just wow, look at that. Because that's what you do on rides like this, right? Slow down, enjoy the journey, and let the hum of the engine carry you to your happy place. The MABDR, probably all the BDRs, is the kind of ride that reminds you why you fell in love with motorcycling in the first place. It's not about the destination or even the challenges. It's about the perfect rhythm of the ride, the dirt under your tires, the wind in your face, and the realization that this, right here, is what pure exhilaration feels like. So if you've been daydreaming of adventures, dirt roads, and cows that probably have more zen than most of us, Section 4 of the MABDR is calling your name. Just remember, no ride is complete without great friends, a solid bike, and a healthy dose of jokes and banter to keep things interesting. Thanks as always for tuning in to Helmet Headspace, where the road hopefully never ends, the adventures are limitless, and every ride tells a story worth sharing. Till next time, ride safe, my friends. Keep chasing that perfect headspace. And don't forget, when in doubt, dump the clutch. Peace out.